we're putting together is a maternity care medical home model where basically we are getting, we're combining with Centene and Silver Summit Health Plan as well as Nevada Health Centers to put together women's services out in the Pahrump area to really help that population that just doesn't have access to great maternal care. And we're trying to do that to reach out, improve care in the region, and just improve care for all Nevadans. The March of Dimes has basically defined a maternal care desert as a county without access to maternal care. So without hospitals and without sufficient physician provider assistance within the region. 35% of all counties in the United States are maternity deserts within the United States. And it's really important that we get access to those regions because access ends up solving a lot of the problems. I think it's maybe for a lot of people, it doesn't seem like much of a challenge. But I think there's a lot of people struggling out there with transportation, uh, financial security, food security, and Pahrump does seem to have a little bit more of that possibly. And what we really need to do is to be able to make it easier to get to appointments rather than to overcome kind of financial issues or transportation issues that make it difficult to get care that we think everybody needs. Like for example, a 60-mile drive when you're in labor or 60-minute drive is a big deal. Um, when I look at it, I would like to say, what if somebody's in preterm labor? That 60-minute drive probably seems like 2 to 3 hours. You want to be able to help people that are in serious need. And I think with the assistance that we're getting from our partners and payers, I think that's been a blessing in regards to this. I think whenever you can get care to somebody, it needs to be several things, right? It needs to be right care, right place, right time. And it's so important that we get that done. And I think, that doesn't just go to maternity care, it goes to all care. And I think we will be bringing kind of a how do you say, a spectrum of services into the area. And I think that's going to be good for all people in Nye County, and I think it's going to be great for Nevada itself. So overall, fantastic program I think we're getting done, but I think more importantly, fantastic program for the area.